I see you round town, and you're ready downtown without me by yourself, and I just can't lie. You're perfect now, you're perfect now, oh, and I need you.
Hey guys, it's me Shivangi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I am so excited because finally the wedding season is here.
And so is Christmas and New Year. And guess what? Amazon Wardrobe Refresh Sale is starting from 18th of December, where you will get 50 to 80% off on top brands that keep you in the spotlight on attention-grabbing latest trend on winter, wedding, party, New Year, Christmas, fashion wardrobe. Sale starts early for Prime members on the 17th of December, 12 am. So don't forget to grab your steal deals only on Amazon Wardrobe Refresh Sale.
The first time I have ordered suits from Amazon, so I am so excited and I hope that you guys are excited as well. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to follow me on my Instagram so that you get most of me. Turn on your notification bell and give this video a like. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video.
Doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine.
Obviously, when you are attending a wedding, you wanna hit that haldi vibes, and what better than a long yellow kurta? This kurta channels bright feminine vibe because of the detailings that it has along the sleeves, neck, dupatta and the palazzo. The material is so comfortable, and if you will pair it with some jhumkas, you'll definitely look the Indian version of Senorita.
So I see you round town, and you're ready downtown without me.
Honestly, ladies, wear this piece on your risk because this outfit might catch a lot of attention because it has a middle slit. This outfit for some reason screams that I am the best dressed without even trying. This kurta has buttons in the front area just for the look and has quarter sleeves. I mean, look at the detailings and the pattern. It's so comfy that you can even sleep if you are done with the late night gossips. The outfit has the most silky, soft and smooth fabric ever. It comes with this palazzo that has detailings in the ends. Also, don't call me out for not having henna on my hands, like LOL, I'm filming a YouTube video and it's currently 3 am. Also, this outfit doesn't has any dupatta, which is completely fine because you don't wanna mess up your mehendi with your freaking dupatta.
From your bedside, please. I can't give you the world, but I can't give you my heart. I can't give you the world, but I hope that.
Anyways, shorty, if you are someone who likes the color red or likes minimalistic outfits that are simple but elegant, here's your poison, miss. And can we just take a moment to appreciate the design of this flattering dupatta and the golden polka dots on the kurti. Ladies, beware, you might get a lot of marriage proposals, so as I said earlier, wear it on your own risk. Anyways, enjoy the wedding and don't forget to steal his shoes.
좋아한다고 오늘도 비올라 너의 비올라 같은 목소리가 내기엔 캔디처럼 들려와 전율이 흘러.
Here comes my favorite out of the all. I mean, look at the color, guys. This is something between baby pink and lilac, and the graphite detailing that's running all over the kurta is so feminine and flattering. But that's not only where we end up, because the silk texture off and the silver lining on the dupatta is something that made me fall in love with this outfit. Also, talking about the size, I'm in the size small. I have long legs, but the kurta and the palazzo fits me perfectly. The palazzo is so airy, comfortable, and has a similar graphite silverish detail. I do have to attend a reception, so this fit is something perfect because it is not much, but of course feminine and flattering.
But you were on your phone the whole
I feel like this black crop top just emanates sweetheart, casual but put together vibes. I wanted this black crop top since like 3-4 months, but I couldn't find the perfect one that has this sweetheart neck and puffy sleeves, which makes my shoulder look broader. So of course I had to get this one the moment I saw it. The material is too good and the top can be styled in various ways.
life right now is a movie.
The next thing that I bought from Amazon is this sling bag, and not gonna lie, this is one of the most favorite thing of mine from this entire haul. Don't get me wrong, but for some reason this sling bag with this golden chain screams Gucci to me. The design is so luxurious and I am obsessed with this off-white and black combo with these 5 detailings. The quality is just unbelievable, and I even went to a wedding with this handbag, and not gonna lie, a guy came up to me and asked if I was the in charge of keeping all the money. My broke ass mind is still confused.
I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text, I'm
Hey yo, Pinterest girl check. I saw these black tennis skirts all over my Pinterest feed, and your girl understood the assignment. Tennis skirts are pretty much a forever trend, and I'm glad that I bought this one because the material is perfect.
so now my heart's in a body bag.
These chunky bold black boots scream power to me. A pair of black boots is something we think is too extra, but is actually one of the best options to look put together without even trying. Black chunky boots are pretty much like a good sleeve. They are common but rare at the same time. And of course, black is the color which goes pretty much with every color. So of course you can draw attention towards your feet with something that's black but basic. These chunky baddies have lace-up closure in the front.
These days I'm at war with myself. I can't
And if you're someone who likes to add a bit of height to your body, then this is your poison mix.
you'll be back.
Cause I know my worth and I know I'm worth it.
The next thing that I bought is this beige handbag which comes in a set of 4. The first one is a pretty big bag. It's kind of like a tote bag because it doesn't have section inside, but overall it's good, and the ribbon on the front screams the song Harley's in Hawaii for some reason. And of course you can style it in various ways. This bag is available in more colors, and of course you can gift it to your mom. And here's my look while having a conversation with an Uber driver. And of course I'm more mad at my Uber driver now. Anyways, these sling bags are so much in trend right now. The length can be switched from a short sling bag to a long side bag. The color is pretty and so is the material.
So until then, just wait. I'll just wait.
The next one is a bigger option than the sling bag, as it has more space and has adjustable straps. You can wear it as a side bag, sling bag, and as a casual handbag. And the next one is this cute small wallet that you can carry literally anywhere except heaven.
So guys, that's pretty much it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to give this video a bright 2 thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell because more hauls are coming soon. And yeah, go get these products from Amazon. All the products links are in the description, so go check them out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, high tide, good vibes. Bye guys. Subscribe.
Moment